Look out, here she comes.
Hello guys, you are welcome back to the channel, and if you're new here, you are also very much welcome. Thank you so much for clicking on this video. So today is a different kind of video. I will just be showing you some random dishes I made and I thought you guys might find it inspiring. So I'll start off by making hot wings. Here I am just showing you the ingredients I will be using to marinate my wings.
Cause I hope that I'm not showing how I feel for her, but she won't feel the same for me. I've got this.
So I'm just adding all my ingredients to marinate the wings and ignore my daughter who is trying to annoy me. So I'm adding everything like I said, apart from the red chili puree, which I will only be using when I'm making the sauce to the sauce for the hot wings.
I listen when she talks, I watch her when she walks. She's giving me.
So I'll cover and allow it to marinate for an hour. And then I am also making some jollof rice. I won't be showing you the ingredient or the process because I have 2 jollof rice recipes on my channel, which I will link in the description box. If you're interested, you can just go and watch the full video. And then the next thing I'll be doing is I'll be making some butter beans and chickpea salad. This salad is the easiest salad yet, really yummy. So I'm just showing you all the ingredients here as well, and then we will go ahead and start making the salad.
But I guess that it will pass. Yeah, I can't be the only one who got lost inside the blue of those eyes. I've gotta let her go. I know it won't be easy. I wanna hold her close.
I like to also rinse my chickpeas and my butter beans just to take out the water that was used to preserve the beans in the can, and then I'll go ahead and add all my ingredients I've just shown you.
She's giving me these feelings that I've never felt before. She will never know that I love.
This salad is really easy. You basically just add everything in the bowl and just mix it together, and you can actually change the ingredient. Like for the mayo, you could change it to yogurt and honey. It's up to you. So this is what it looks like, and we use this to eat the jollof rice this afternoon. And here I will be showing you how I make my 1 tray bake. So this is basically to encourage myself to eat some vegetables. So if you're struggling with eating veggies as well, this is a very easy way for you to just add veggies to your daily meal. So what I do is I just looked for all the vegetables in my house and I just added them to the pan. So you could change what you are seeing on my screen. So I added some potatoes, some onions, red peppers, yellow peppers, some carrots, some tomato, and then I added some tofu as well. So this really makes it a vegan or vegetarian kind of 1 tray bake, but you can change like I said. So you could put chicken, you could put anything, even the veggies, you could switch them. So this basically is, like I said, my way of getting myself to eat more veggies. I will usually do this and put it in the fridge, and I add it to most of the meal I am eating, or sometimes I just eat it on its own as the meal is really filling. So here I am just cutting the tofu and adding it to my pan as well. And even when it comes to the seasoning, seriously, you can use any seasoning of your choice. There's no really recipe to this. It's just more of you baking your veggies. And I added corn as well because I love corn. So I'd use, I think, garlic, ginger, thyme, some oregano, some salt, some olive oil, some paprika, some lemon zest, and the juice as well, and some salt. Mix everything together and just pop that in the oven. Once I mix all my ingredients together, I will just pop it in the oven for about 45 minutes to an hour. So my wings have been marinating for an hour now. It's time for me to start making my hot wings. First, I'll be frying the wings. Another alternative is for you to pop your wings in the oven. It's a healthier option than this, but today I'll be frying this. Once everything is well fried, I will be taking them out and I'll start making the sauce for the wings.
Try as hard as I can, 'cause you'll never be mine.
So I am using the same pan to make my sauce, and then I'm just adding all the ingredients I'm showing on the screen. And this as well, this is really spicy, so I encourage, if you don't want it really spicy, like the red chili puree I use, you could change that for either ketchup or some tomato puree just to reduce the hotness, but this is really spicy. So I'm just mixing everything together, and then I'll go ahead and add some sweet peppers because it gives it a really nice flavor. So I'll add that and then I'll cover it and allow it to cook for some minutes. While I'm allowing that to simmer and my one tray bake is still in the oven, I'll just go ahead and just clean the areas I have used to cook. I'm not really cleaning the house much because I'll be doing that the next day. I'm just cleaning the areas I have used to prep the food and the kitchen, and that is a bit messy from all the cooking.
It's too bad she'll never know. Yeah, I can't tell her how I feel because she has someone.
So if you're new to my channel and you haven't subscribed, then I will encourage you to subscribe to my channel because I have got amazing content I think you will find really useful. So yeah, if you're new here and you don't know me, my name is Kandy and I create content on hair, food and lifestyle in general. So I make videos and vlogs like this where I just show myself randomly cleaning or randomly cooking dishes as well, and I also make tutorials on taking care of your natural hair, and also tutorials on recipes as well. So you are welcome. I encourage you to subscribe and also give this video a thumbs up if you found it useful, and yeah, join the family.
That I love her so well. She's with somebody else and I will have to let her go. She will never know, nah, never know, nah, she will never know, nah.
My chicken is ready and I've got the leftover rice I made this afternoon, and the jollof rice which we will be using to eat the chicken tomorrow, together with the leftover salad as well. And yeah, I'm just watching my flour, not really watching, just like spraying them with some water because I didn't water them that morning, and I also spilled some water in the process. And because I live in an open plan kind of apartment, I always like to use my diffusers after every night actually, just to take out the food smell. You don't want your house smelling of food, especially if you're African Nigerian like me, where our food have really strong smells. So yeah, I like to do things like this. Sometimes switch on the candles just to make everywhere smell nice. So this is the one tray bake. Is ready now. It looks absolutely divine and delicious, and sometimes, like I said, I eat it on its own. Sometimes I put it as a side to a dish. That is it for this video, guys. Thank you so much for watching, and please like, share and subscribe. Bye.